Hello, this is Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner, and today I want to show you something completely different. Not anything like the usual education video. This is more a crafty video because you have to have some kind of craft ideas, or you need to be open-minded to try new things. And today I want to show you something I'm doing as well, and as you can get on my website or in our store or in the Mystic Festival, which is coming up in June the 3rd. So may you asking yourself now, what is she talking about? What are junk journals? You know what this is? Hibiscus hawthorn tea. So, junk journal, they also call scrapbooks or just journal or diary, whatever you want to call it. The books are handmade, and we call them, or I call them, junk journal because they are made out of old paper, old fabrics and old pictures, old newspapers. So the focus for a journal or a junk journal is that you write in this book, for example, your thoughts on a daily basis, or you use it for some recipes you have for the kitchen as a cookbook, handwritten, or you use it as a traveler journal if you are on vacation and you want to keep the thoughts and everything when you are in a new city or a new country. It's totally up to you. So I just want to go through, and for this point I want to just focus on the journals. So here, for example, this one, I put all the pages in there regarding Ireland or Scotland. So this is for myself. I would use it on a trip to Ireland or to Scotland. So then I have this beauty here. It's just with old pictures, inside old paperwork, old letters, old ledgers, everything you can write on it. And this one is with fabrics. Let me show you a little bit inside. As you can see, there are tons of spaces you can use, put in or reading, everything what you want to do with this, right? So let me put one, and this was my first one. It's has all the dinglings. This is to close, and this was my first one, and this is, of course, as you can see, with my little broom on it. It's a witchy journal. So just so you see what exactly it is. So you have different pockets, you can put stuff in it, you have space to write down maybe some spells or whatever. Here is if you're interested in hand reading. As I said, some old ledgers, the wheel of the year, space to write down. You see all these details here, and then you can open this, for example, and there are different pages you can write on it. It's so much fun and it's so relaxing. You see there's a pocket as well, and I use I'm not a big person of a sewing machine, but this is it. I was able to do that. So, and a special writing if you in witchcraft, for example, And again, spaces you can use to write stuff down, and on and on. See all this beautiful things inside. Another page, a little to write down your thoughts or spells, if you use this one, for example, as your spell book, your own handwritten spell book. So yeah, as you can see, it's full of surprises, full of stories you can fill in. And the decoration I made here, for example, was some feathers, and again some pockets you can put in. This is just an idea so you know how to use the pockets. You can put in your own notes or anything. There's another thing you can read and you can write on it. And another pocket with some interesting items in it. So, and you see they are thick like this, and I put some nice things on it so you can close it down and you can keep it for yourself, or you can maybe you can use it as a Valentine's present, I don't know. So there is so much option what you can use a journal for it. And I have some left, baby ones. I made them originally for just for decoration on your Christmas tree, so I have a couple left. It's the same. They are even, you would be even sorry, able to write in the little ones, but they are just for decoration. Look at this, and look at the details. Sometimes it's with fabrics, sometimes I use just paper, or this one with fabrics in the front, some butterflies, and inside, and we can just go through this one a little bit. It's the same idea. You can use it to write on it with a beautiful decoration here, and see all the details. And again, some pockets, you can put some notes from yourself in it. Beautiful here with a dragonfly. And these are painted. I create the pages here, or something like this. And as I said, they are all handmade. And I thought it would be interesting to show you that I don't have our alternative medicine. No, we have other items for you, because the creativity is, you see this one, isn't she beautiful? And you still have space here to write on this side. Okay, so see, all the details, and again the decoration, and plenty of space for your own thoughts or notes. You see, some old letters, and you can use this page then to write your thoughts. So this is, or this was, normal paper, like from Hy-Vee or anything like this. It was normal paper, and it's now so soft. I have a technique, so you take the paper and olive oil, and you put it in your hands for half an hour or an hour, and then it's getting soft and soft and softer. So, and then you have it, it's nearly fabric, but it's paper, right? So, or here little buttons I made out of old book pages. And again, pocket and some letters, or you can put your own notes in there. Yeah, I love them, and it's kind of an addiction. It definitely calmed me down. It's a relaxing crafting for me. And we have more than the 4 I just showed you. They are in my store, in our store, and they are also on our website, and 100% on the Mystic Festival, which is in June. When the farmers market started, I will definitely get some with me on the farmers market. But if you're interested in junk journals or however you want to call them, you can talk to me. May you have an idea. You said, oh, next year I want to go to Spain. Can you make me a journal like with items from Spain, paper from Spain, interesting information about Spain, and I still have space to write my notes from my vacation in it? Not a problem at all. Okay, so this was a new area. I'm sure you didn't even know I'm doing this, but I had to show you this. And as I said, as always, see you soon. Bye bye. This was Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner today with a different video on our YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.